Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Wishing you and your family a happy Easter. Hope you're doing well. Today I am sharing with you my first Dior purchase. I've had this for about 2.5 months now, and I'm finally ready to wear them. These are the waist sandals in the blue, and blue happens to be my favorite color, so I just wanted to share that with you. The size that I picked out was a 39 and a half. Usually I wear a 39 in European sizes, usually 8.5 in the US, but I went with a 39 and a half because I purchased the sandals online and I wasn't sure about the size, so it's a little bit bigger than my feet, which is fine for me. I prefer my sandals to be a little bit oversized, so I am absolutely in love with them. I wore them today for the first time. They are comfortable. I wore them for about maybe 45 minutes, so not long. I will do a follow-up video with my thoughts and review, but wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you have anything from Dior that you'd like to share? Anyways, hope all is well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.